We are walking through the forest after going down to the beach and wanted to record this, our first trip out from our new home, going through this beautiful forest. There goes Ken and Koki. They're waving.
Beautiful fern.
Yep, absolutely gorgeous, just like the rainforest.
Trying to show them the fern forest over here.
Look at all those ferns. Look how beautiful they are. Gorgeous. Can't get over it. It really is just like the rainforest.
Oh wow. A western red cedar.
Ken's pointing out this huge tree. Said it's a western red cedar. Check this out. Look at how high that goes. I'm gonna get dizzy. Wow. That goes very high. As you might be able to tell, it's raining. That's what makes it a rainforest, right? And back to the path. Koki and Ken. Koki had a hard time on the stairs, but she made it. I'm not sure if we should take her down the stairs anymore, but she was able to get back up them okay. Took her a while.
It's interesting. Usually it's mostly Douglas firs around, but this is a grove of western red cedars.
There's another one, like Ken just pointed out. Another western red cedar. And there's actually a bench over here. A Boy Scout troop put in. Nice place to rest when it's not so rainy. Can't believe we're lucky enough to live here.